Right, so hello everyone and welcome back to Southern Biker, and you join me leaving Whitcould BP because I am with the Essex biker group once again. Now you may be wondering, why on earth am I on my own? Was I late again? No, basically I am now part of Plumb Shutter Photography, and I was taking photos of them all turning up and then leaving here. So now I've got to play catch up, and I told the guy I remember the route. I don't remember the route. So I'm gonna have to try and I know I need to get to Hanningfield. That's like, from there I sort of know where I'm going. So yeah, we're gonna try and catch up and find them and hope I'm taking the right way. And then we're going to the Rose and Crown pub, which is a video I've done before with these lot. Did really well actually, over 8,000 views I believe. I'll throw up a little image on screen now while it's on. But yeah, so hope you enjoy the ride. We'll roll the montage and then, well, roll the intro, then the montage, and then we'll be there. Unless I don't find them at all. But we shall see.
Where's he going?
A few moments later.
Right, so we have arrived, and I thought I'll quickly show off all the bikes that are here, because then that lets the queue go down for the drinks. So, my bike, Ducati 950S, brand new Hornet 1000, which I was just talking to the owner of, and he absolutely loves it. And he was saying if he wanted the SP, he was going to have to wait till the end of September to get one, so we got that instead. Gixxer S8S, Rebel 500. I know it's a Kawasaki, but I don't know what it is, but it is nice. Big Harley. And then what have we got up here? There's a car coming in. There's a Peugeot 308, I think. Nice Tracer 7 GT. And then over here we have, oh, hang on, let's quickly get out of the sun. Right, CBR 1000, clearly. Ducati Scrambler. CBR 650R. Speed Triple 1200 RS. I believe that's an MT-09. Yeah, CP3 on the side. And that's a Suzuki. Is that a Bandit? Yes, it's Bandit on the seat. Speed Twin 1200, I believe. KTM says 890 on the side, so that's an 890. And then over here, we have the Suzuki GT Tourer 1000. Phaser 1000. Yamaha R1. Tuano V4 Factory. See, this is the pub. If you haven't seen my previous video here. Right, hang on. Make sure it's safe to cross, ladies and gentlemen. Get out of the way, that grass picture. Right, then we have Trident 660, CBR 1000, Transup 750, a Gixxer, but I don't know if it's a 1000 or a 600, I can't tell from here. Possibly even a 750. 600 in the back. 1200 Scrambler, Sprint GT, MT-07, MT-09 SP, another Gixxer, a car coming, CBR 1000, a Tuano V2, which I didn't know existed, a Z650, no, Z900 RS, and then back there we've got a Gixxer 1000. Right, and with that, I think it's time to go and get a drink.